form fra den.
Altså Simon Fur. Han var sgu selv.
What's going on, guys? Divine here. Today we will do a tutorial how to make a knife out of wood. First of all, you need a very big piece of wood, and you need a knife. Let's go get one. What's going on, guys? Now we got a knife, and always when you are cutting in wood, never do it this way, or else you can cut your finger off, or you can kill this. But always do it this way. But I don't know why. I just like doing it this way, because I really want to cut my fucking finger off. And well, now you just need to do it like this in a long time. Just keep on doing this until you got a knife.